For the past week, Dad's been talking about his house has been scorching hot and ridiculous, but it's not been.
Michael, get the man over here to fix my air conditioner.
He was there yet 2 days ago. He said,
well, then call him back.
He said there was nothing wrong with it.
Call him back. They probably didn't put a fee on it.
It's you, obviously.
How can it be me?
It was freezing cold on the 4th of July.
Either you fix my air conditioner or I'll fix it. Like you do in the morning. You got till tomorrow morning to get this damn thing.
You gotta be kidding! It's fucking 8 o'clock at night!
The heater's got me.
You need to drink water.
The heater's got me! You better be there by 9. You better be there by 9 o'clock.
I can't help you, I'll try.
I'll
9 o'clock, I ought to be awake to know!
What's going on?
It's burning my ass hot in here!
I know, it's not that hot in here. It feels good in here.
You're full of shit! It's got to be 105 degrees. This bullshit, Charlie!
It's
Michael
fine.
promised me! I told him he didn't fix it, I would!
What do you got in mind?
I'll fix my own goddamn air conditioner. I don't need him goddamn fix it. It's bullshit. I'll fix my own goddamn air conditioner. She's not even old, man. Son of a...
It's cut off at the moment. It's fine in there.
I guarantee you I'll fix it.
There's, oh my God, you know. You need to chill, Dad.
Better back off. I'll fix the air conditioner.
I don't like where this is going, man.
Where's my tool? Dad.
Oh God, oh my God. The AC is fine. The AC is fucking fine. It feels good in there. You just want to break something. You just want to break something. So yeah, here.
What?
Oh God. Oh my God. Fucker's. Oh my God. This sucker's it's leaking now. Oh my God, Dad, stop! Oh God. Oh. Are you happy? Oh my God. Oh. Oh my. Oh,
there, I fixed it. It's there now. See, it's blowing cold air now. Look.
Yeah, you fucked it up now. You know how much this is gonna cost?
No, Michael's gonna fix it.
Yeah, well.
Michael's gonna fix it.
Oh my! I don't even know what to say anymore, man. I hope you're happy.
There, Michael. Fix the air conditioner.
God damn! You're gonna hurt yourself. You need to stop.
Fix the air conditioner, Michael.
Hope you're fucking happy, man. Because the guy is not here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
No, it's 9.
I'm gonna laugh when he shows up like 5 minutes from now.
Shut up. I just fixed the air conditioner.
Well, you're gonna be hot as hell now.
Michael,
we're all gonna be fucking hot.
You better get somebody over here now. I think I need a little Freon.
Look what you did to this damn
I didn't do a damn thing.
AC. It is destroyed. What? I'm afraid it's gonna blow the hell up on me or something.
What? Hey.
Oh, it's fine. Stop. Will you please stop?
I'm fixing my air conditioner. Call your goddamn brother and get his ass over here to fix his air conditioner right now.
Oh yeah, he's definitely gonna see this.
Turn that goddamn thing off. There wasn't nobody here at 8 o'clock like I told you.
Dad, I tried.
No, you didn't try.
Nobody was working.
Bridget, did I call last night or not?
Yes.
Yeah,
the guy
right. I
that was-
believe that. Like I believe, yeah.
The guy was gonna come be at your house Monday morning, bright and early.
Oh, good. By then I'll be done goddamn melted the motherfucking.
Your air conditioning was fine. Now it's not.
It
Now-
was not fun. It was over 100 degrees.
You leave me-
this morning.
You leave me no choice but to put you up in a fucking hotel now.